Every year, companies spend an average of almost $9,000 per employee to provide healthcare coverage. Preventable illnesses contribute to this growing burden. These illnesses can spread rapidly in an office environment because germs are everywhere and can survive for months. Yet most people afflicted with a cold or flu still come to work. The good news is there's a simple and effective solution to control the spread of germs. It starts with making hand hygiene readily available. The Purell Advanced Workforce Solution from Gojo has been scientifically proven to reduce healthcare claims tied to illnesses it is designed to prevent, such as colds and flus. The program integrates Gojo hand soap, Purell Advanced Instant Hand Sanitizer, and Purell Hand Sanitizing Wipes to combat germs throughout your workplace. We'll help you determine the best placement of our products and help educate your staff on the importance of hand hygiene. A recent breakthrough study involving 1,300 employees proves that the Purell Advanced Workforce Solution works. Employees who had a comprehensive hand hygiene solution in their buildings had over 24% fewer healthcare claims for illnesses transmitted hand to mouth. That translates to a program that not only pays for itself within months, but also generates healthcare savings. In addition, the Purell Advanced Workforce Solution is a cost-effective way to promote a positive company image in the eyes of your employees. They'll be healthier too, and will have fewer out-of-pocket healthcare costs. The net effect? Higher employee productivity and better employee perception of you as an employer. When you're ready to tackle preventable healthcare costs, Gojo is ready to help. Call or visit our website today to learn more.